All right, this is There Is Room at the Cross. This is a pretty simple song, key of E. I'll just do the rhythm here so you can see what that is. Pretty much just kind of easy strumming. Alright, the chords on this are pretty simple. E, B, and A. There is a part where you hit A and then a G sharp in the bass, which is this note right here. And so it goes A, G sharp in the bass to an F sharp minor 7. F sharp minor 7 is basically that note, and this is barred. B, E, and then there's a part where it says, though millions have come. On the come, it's a B minor 7 to an E7 to an A, and then the same walk down, G sharp in the bass, F sharp minor 7, E. So that's how it goes. And you can, there is an E sus when I go back the cross for you. So I just move that down and then back to there. It's a little flavor you can put in there. So here we go. There is room at the cross for you. There is room at the cross for you. Though millions have come, there's still room for one. Yes, there is room at the cross for you. There is room at the cross for you. There is room at the cross for you. Though millions have come, there's still room for one. Yes, there is room at the cross for you. There is room at the cross for you. There is room at the cross for you. Though millions have come, there's still room for one. There is room at the cross for you. Last time. There is room at the cross for you. There is room at the cross for you. The millions have come, there's still room for one. There is room at the cross. You can end it like this. For you. So the ending is, there is room at the cross for A, G sharp minor 7, F sharp minor 7 to an E. So again, it's B to A, and then G sharp minor 7, F sharp minor 7,